I'm going to show you Copilot. So Copilot uses AI and voice technology to write your notes for you. It will listen to your appointment and complete your notes according to your template, allowing you to focus 100% on the patient in front of you. Copilot has been designed so that you can let it listen to the entire appointment, and it is going to be capturing both you and your patient if you have a correctly placed microphone, and it will generate your full notes for you by the end of the appointment. Alternatively, you obviously can just give it a summary, and that's the example that I'm going to show you today. So if I select Copilot, it will start recording. So let's say we've got a patient today who has attended complaining of an achy pain in their upper left six, started a couple of weeks ago. The pain's not lasting very long, set off by changes in temperature, and painkillers aren't helping with the pain at all. So now I'm going to pause the recording, you can just see that not only has it captured that relevant information, but it started filling in my template for me. So it knows the information that I, as a dentist, deem important, and it's filling in that information, but it's also able to add extra detail if things don't fall so neatly within your template as well. We don't store any audio, and the system is fully compliant. As you can see, Copilot's captured what's happened and it's filled in my template. It's also prompted some follow-up information I need to capture. It means that you'll never miss anything in your notes, and it also keeps your notes super relevant to the specific patient situation. You can see that all the Kiroku's templates are also clickable, so you can still edit them as you would like, and you can also dictate and you can type freeform into the system as well.